Okay, let's do the 28th. Now this is, suppose the function is this, okay, and if the limit of this function is equal to f of 1, or the value of the function when x is equal to 1, then find the values of a and b, this a and b. Okay, so here it's already given that the limit of the function is equal to the function's value when x is equal to 1. Okay, so we know that limit of the function as x approaches 1, this will be equal to what? The limit of the function when x is approaching 1 from the left hand side, and equal to, which is, and equal to limit of the function when x is approaching the function 1 from the right hand side. Okay, this indicates both sides. Okay, and when you mark the negative and positive, it indicates that it's coming from both the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, now, so they say that the limit of the function will be when both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. So they say that the limit of the function is exist. Okay, that means this both exist. We have the limits. Okay, so the limit of the function is equal to the limit of the function when is equal to the function when value of x is 1. Okay, now this is equal to f of 1. Okay, so now let's find the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, so now as x approaches 1, so let this point be 1, and x is approaching 1 from the right hand side and from the left hand side. Okay, so now here when x is less than 1, the function is a plus bx. So less than 1 is this side, so the function here is a plus bx. And when the function is greater than 1, the function is b minus x. So this is this side. Okay, and when the function is when x is equal to 1, the function's value will be 4. Okay, so x is equal to 1 is here, so here the value of the function will be 4. Now let's find, now this is the distance which we assume as h, where x, the position of x will be 1 minus h. Okay, and this is the distance, the length, where the position of x is equal to 1 plus h. Okay, now the left hand limit will be limit of the function as x approaches 1 from the left hand side, which is equal to the limit of the function when, that is, instead of x, now we write 1 minus h. Okay, where h tends to 0, which is equal to limit. Now in the function we replace x with 1 minus h. Okay, so we have a plus b into 1 minus x when h tends to 0. This is equal to limit a plus, let's multiply, okay, b minus bh as h tends to 0. Okay, this is h. So now applying the values of h in the function, we get a plus b minus b into 0, which is a plus b minus 0 and a plus b. So this is the left hand limit. The same way the right hand limit. Okay, limit of the function f of x when x approaches 1 from the right hand side is equal to limit f 1 plus h. Okay, now instead of x we write 1 plus h as h tends to 0, which is equal to limit. Now we replace the functions x with 1 plus h. Okay, b minus a multiplied 1 plus h as h tends to 0, which is equal to limit b minus, now let's multiply a plus ah, h tends to 0. Now let's apply the value of h in the function, so it becomes b minus a plus a multiplied 0, b minus a plus 0, which is b minus a. This is the RHL. Okay, Now here now LHL, if the limit exists, then LHL and RHL are equal. Okay, so we can write LHL and RHL are equal. That is A plus B is equal to B minus A. Okay, and that is equal to LHL and RHL are equal, and that is equal to the function's value when x is 1. So that is 4. Okay, so this is equal to 4. Now if this all are 3 are equal, then we can say that this and this are equal, and this and this are also equal. So let's equate it separately. So A plus B is equal to 4, and B minus A is also equal to 4. So let's write minus A here plus B equal to 4. Now when we add this, we will get, see, this word it cancel, you get 2B is equal to 4, which implies B is equal to, sorry, is equal to 8. B is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Now we have the value of B as 4. Now let's put the value of B in this equation. Okay, any of the equations, we'll put it in this. So A plus B is equal to 4. So A plus B is, we got B as 4, which is equal to 4. So A is equal to 0. So we have A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 4, two values. These are the values of A and B. Okay, that's it.